This is Mamatas and Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is our isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I'm going to draw uh, a rectangle in the top plane. Okay, and this rectangle has a dimension of 40 by 40 unit. After that, we're going to extrude boss it. We're going to extrude boss it to 40 unit. Then we can see we have in the font side we have this type of cut here, and for drawing this type of cut, first of all, if we look at here, our total distance here is 40 unit. Okay, so if we subtract 40 from subtract 20 and 10 from 40, we can see our this dimension is 10 unit. Okay, then if we look after our this vertical distance here to here, okay, we can see our total vertical distance is 40 unit. That's why, and as we have this dimension is 10 unit and this dimension is 20 unit, so we can say that our this dimension is also 10 unit, because 40 minus 20 minus 10, so it will be 10 unit. So along this side, first of all, we'll draw a corner rectangle of 10 by 10 unit, and from that rectangle we'll draw another corner rectangle, and this second corner rectangle has a vertical distance of 20 unit, and for horizontal distance we can see the total dimension is 40 unit, so 40 minus 25, so the this horizontal distance will be 15 unit. Okay, then we'll trim this line and we'll going to use the extrude cut portion. So before doing that extrude cut portion, as it we have another extrude cut in this side, we will draw these two drawing at a time. Then we will extrude cut together. Okay. Of talking of this side, first of all, we'll draw a corner rectangle. Okay. This corner rectangle has a dimension of 10 in this side, and for vertical distance it has a dimension of 40 minus 20 unit, so it will be 20 unit. And from this corner rectangle, this point, I will draw an inclined line along this corner, then I will close this shape, then I will trim this line, then I will extrude cut it to this side. Okay, so for now let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm going to select my top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it, then I'm going to select the center rectangle from here and drawing a center rectangle. This center rectangle has a dimension of 40 by 40 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now we're going to extrude boss it to 40 unit. Okay, so we're going to extrude boss it to 40 unit. Now okay, so this portion has been done. Now I'm going to select my this font face. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now I'm going to select the corner rectangle and now placing this corner rectangle here, and this is a dimension of 10 by 10 unit. Okay, so we have drawn one, and now let's time for drawing another one. So I'm selecting another corner rectangle, and this corner rectangle has a vertical distance of 20 unit and a horizontal distance of 40 minus 25 unit, so it will be 15 unit. Okay, now we are going to select the trim interest from here. We are going to trim this middle line. Okay, so we have trimmed this middle line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go for features, now extrude cut. Now we're going to extrude cut it to through all. So we're going to extrude cut it to through all. You can use the blind tool and give a manual value. Okay, our this portion has been done. And talking of this other side, we'll do the same way. Now select this face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now I will going to select another corner rectangle and placing this corner rectangle to here, and this corner rectangle has a dimension of vertical dimension of 40 minus 20 unit, and a horizontal vertical dimension of 40 minus 20 unit, and a horizontal dimension of 10 unit. Okay, so now again select the line tool from here, because we need to draw the rectangle portion. So from this point to this point, connect these two line, and I also connect this vertical line. After that, we're going to select the trim interest tool from here and going to trim this middle line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and now I'm going to use extrude cut portion. In the same way, you can use the blind tool or give the manual dimension of 40 unit along this line, or you can select the through all features. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.